everybody, and happy Tuesday. I'm here for another Tuesday Tech Tip with you today. What I'm going to show you today is I'm going to show you an extension called Screencastify. So I know some of you have mentioned this in our group before, but I just want to make sure that everybody is on the same page with it as well. So you can really use this with any grade level. I could definitely see middle school and high school using this a bit more. So the first thing we're going to do is you want to install this extension. You're going to go over to the Chrome Web Store and type in Screencastify and then add it to your Chrome browser. And then we can go over and you can see it's right up here. It's this little guy with the little arrow with the movie camera in the middle. So this is the screen once you click it that it goes to. So if you have students on Chromebooks, they can go ahead and they can sign in with Google. You can use this as well. Notice there's a toggle right here that says automatically save videos to Google Drive. So when the kids are making videos, they will get stored right into their Google Drive account that this is linked with. If you turn that off, that's okay too. There are a couple different options of ways that you can share that. But I would suggest if you have a Google for Education, if all of your kids are in there already, just have them save it to their drive. It's going to be the easiest way to do it. So now I'm going to go ahead and do sign in with Google. It's going to pull up all of the accounts. And you'll see here in just a second, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to select one of those accounts. Right now, I'm just going to say allow. Your students should see their account automatically in there. And once you're in, which apparently is taking a little bit of time here, all right, here we go. Perfect. All right, so once we're in, it says, hey, what do you want this? What permissions do you want to give Screencastify? You want to give access to camera and microphone and drawing and annotation tools as well. So you definitely want to give both of those. And I'm going to allow that. And I'm going to allow in my Chrome browser. And then it's just going to give you a little tutorial about how to actually record a video. So I'm not going to do this right now. However, you are, at this point, you're ready to go ahead and you're ready to start recording. So with that being said, I am going to go up and I'm going to click here again and I'm going to show you what actually is going to pop up. So now that I went through this entire process, it's going to say, hey, what do you want to record? Do you want to record just the browser tab, a desktop, or a webcam? And then it shows, you know, the microphone and also the camera. I'm not able to show you this right now because I'm recording a video on my computer, but the kids would just go ahead and click record, and it would record them, and then it would automatically save that video inside of their Google Drive account. So how would this work? Well, it's really up to you. I mean, you could give kids an assignment in Google Classroom and say, hey, today I want you to explain, you know, maybe in third grade we're studying world communities, countries. Maybe the kids are ready to do a presentation and they have been working on a Google Slides presentation. They've been working on finding some information to share with the rest of the class. They can make a video of this instead. Maybe you want to have some of your kids, maybe you're learning place value. Or rounding, and you want the kids to be able to show off how they would actually round. Well, they can make the video, and then they could share it with you inside of Google Classroom. So a lot of opportunities here, a lot of different ways that you could use Screencastify, but this is how you would get it set up. So first of all, like I said, head over to the Chrome Web Store, Screencastify, add that to your Chrome browser. Once they're signed in, all they would do is just click on the extension, and it's as easy as that. With recording their video and then sharing it with you as well. So I hope that helps, and I would love to know how you're using this. If you want to share how you're using Screencastify in the classroom, we would love the comments. Let us know down below in the comments. Thanks so much.